In 1948, the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights listed 30 basic rights, the first of which is that we're all born free and equal, and the last of which is that no one can take our human rights away. Number 29 of the 30, though, relates to the complementary need to balance human rights with human responsibilities, maintaining that we have a duty of care to others and should protect their rights and freedoms. The WholeWorld-View perspective of unity in diversity reveals the fundamental relationships between the individual me, the collective we, and the universal all, where the balance of such rights and responsibilities are foundational. We're all linked with the whole of existence. When those links form loving chains of mutuality for community and planetary relationships, they nurture our health and well-being and allow all to flourish. Yet when we've forgotten such unity, and instead of wondering in awe at its diverse expressions, we've fallen into the illusion of separation. The chains of enslavement bind us. We have a moment of choice, as perhaps never before, to break the chains that have bound us and link up and lift up together to co-create chains of compassion and care that bind us together with love.